Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. So today's background is different and I'm shooting in the hall. So it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. So do let me know in the comment section whether you like this background in like sitting on the sofa set, if you like this background or you like the other background in my previous videos if you see in front of my wardrobe. So please let me know in the comment section कौन सा background आपको अच्छा लगता है. So today's video I'm going to share my reviews on this is Pond Light Moisturizer, and this is non-oily fresh free. So I've been using this cream moisturizer since almost 2 weeks and every day. So इस तरह का दिखता है and it's very light and non-greasy, non-sticky. You can use this cream during the winter as well as in the summer. Any climate you can use this. So it does not make your face, you know, after applying it chip या greasy, oily नहीं दिखता है. It absorbs really quickly. So it is good for oily skin as well as dry skin. ये 4 क्वांटिटी में आता है. देर इज़ वन 25 ml, 75 ml, 150 ml एंड देर इज़ 250 ml एज वेल. सो जो सबसे छोटा 25 ml का बॉटल है दैट इज़ जस्ट फॉर 35 रुपीज़. दिस इज़ 75 ml जो मैंने लिया है एंड दैट दिस आई गॉट फॉर 115 रुपीज़. एंड द थर्ड क्वांटिटी इज़ 150 ml that is for 210 rupees. एंड द लास्ट सबसे बड़ा जो क्वांटिटी है दैट इज़ 250 ml दैट इज़ 299 रुपीज़. और जो सबसे बड़ा क्वांटिटी है वो अभी नायका पे ऑफ़र पे चल रहा है. इट इज़ फॉर 20% ऑफ. दैट मीन्स यू विल गेट फॉर 239 रुपीज़ और 235 रुपीज़ कुछ ऐसा है. So don't worry, all these products links I will be sharing in my description box. You can go ahead and check that out if you wish to buy. So my review is that I love this and because Pond's ऐसा क्रीम है जो मैं बचपन से यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. Like I know that more than Johnson Baby's product, my mom used Pond's on me. So you know till the age 25 या 26 में मेरी शादी हुई थी. So till the age like I was still 30 I used Pond's. 30 के बाद I started using some anti-aging creams and I just switched to other creams. I thought like Pond's पे कितने सालों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, so I need to give a chance to other cream and check out something good which is, you know, for wrinkles and anti-aging creams. So I have used other creams. So I love, don't expect that you will have the smell जो Pond's का जो मटका शेप का you know जो क्रीम आता था that is actually a cold cream. So the smell, the scent of this and the Pond's cold cream is totally different. तो आपको वो एक्सपेक्टेशन से नहीं लेना कि उस तरह का आपको स्मेल मिलेगा. एंड दिस इज़ अ राउंड टब. सो एक ख़त्म भी होगा, सो यू कैन यूज़ इट कीपिंग योर ब्रेसलेट्स और बैंगल्स, एनीथिंग हैज़ दैट. सो इट्स इज ओपन माउथ, इट्स नॉट स्मॉल. सो ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है भी नहीं है. अगर अच्छी तरह से बंद करेंगे तो ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है, अदरवाइज़ ये पूरा स्पिल आउट हो सकता है, ढक्कन में आ सकता है. सो इट इज़ 50-15 ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. सो सबसे छोटा वाला दो अगर आपको ट्रैवलिंग करना है. आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट. And Pond's product, I would only say everything is perfect, only there are parabens in this. So if in case you parabens does not suit your skin or irritates you, do not buy this Pond's cream. Otherwise everything is perfect. It suits even acne prone skin. But if you are the paraben product does not suits you, I would not recommend you guys to buy this. So this moisturizer Pond's, it comes in 2 variant. One is this is in green and there is one more in blue that is in gel texture and this is creamy. So that is a difference of, and this is available everywhere, even online, even offline. So you can get it in your nearby chemist as well, malls या super mall में. Nykaa पे भी available है. I'm not sure purple.com पे भी है और Amazon पे भी है. सो ये क्रीम आपको कहीं पे भी मिल जाएगा. and the ingredients inside this are vitamin E is there, glycerine is there, water is there, and parabens and some other ingredients as well. You can easily check out on their website what are the ingredients in this product. तो जब मुझे ये आया था ये इस तरह के फॉइल में आया था. So you need to peel it. The texture is like this. It absorbs really quickly. It's very light. So it's good to use it during the day as well as a night time. And can you see, it's nice. Yes, and smell is mild. It's not very strong. मुझे इतना strong नहीं लगा. हो सकता है कोई लोगों को strong लगेगा. So this is 75 ml जो मेरे पाम के साइज़ का है. So इससे छोटा एक आता है and 2 इससे बड़े साइज़ के आते हैं. So if in case you like this, if you're interested, I love this product. So मेरे तरफ से बहुत अच्छा है ये. So if in case only parabens are not suiting you, don't buy it. So I hope you like this review. If you have used this and if you have a separate opinion about this, please do let me know in the comment section. और अभी तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please subscribe my channel so that my channel grows and I can grow as well. This would help me and motivate me to make more such videos for you all. And don't forget to hit like. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam. I'll share my ID's details somewhere on the screen. And you can also watch my previous videos. I'll share all the link on my I button or in my description box. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.